Increasing impressions on YouTube involves various strategies. Here are the top 10 ways to boost your YouTube video impressions. High-quality thumbnails. Create eye-catching and relevant thumbnails that entice viewers to click on your video. Engaging titles. Craft compelling and concise video titles that grab viewers' attention and clearly convey the video's content. Quality content. Produce valuable and engaging content that keeps viewers watching and encourages them to interact with your video. Keyword optimization. Research and include relevant keywords in your video description and tags to improve search visibility. Consistent upload schedule. Publish videos on a consistent schedule to build a loyal audience that anticipates your content. Collaborations. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to tap into their audience and expand your reach. Promotion on social media. Share your videos on various social media platforms to increase exposure and encourage sharing. Audience engagement. Interact with your audience through comments, likes, and responses to foster a sense of community. Use end screens and cards. Utilize YouTube's features like end screens and cards to promote other videos and encourage viewers to explore your channel further. Analyze and adjust. Regularly review YouTube analytics to understand what works and what doesn't, and adapt your content and strategies accordingly. Remember, it takes time and consistency to build a strong presence on YouTube. Patience and dedication are key to long-term success.